Here is how you can reset camera settings on your Android phone. So we don't go to the settings app, but we go right away to the camera app on our device like this. So we open up camera, and in here you have so many toggles and controls to change stuff about your photos. But I want you to click on the button in here so you can see all of the buttons. It might also be somewhere at the top. Just click around to see like multiple buttons, and you need to pay attention to the settings. So the gear icon is right there, and that's the settings, but specifically for the camera app. So you tap on it like this, and there's so many options you can change, but at the bottom we have the reset settings. So when you click on reset like this, we have to confirm it again that we really want to reset all camera related settings. So I tap on it like so, and it will perform a quick reboot or whatever, and now it gives us the tips again for camera, and we have like a fresh start. So whatever setting was set up before, it is no longer applied. So if you like this tutorial and if it worked for you, definitely subscribe to Foxtecc. You can also hit the thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it and found it helpful. But that's gonna be about it, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.